Everyone, today we are going to study chapter number 13 of class 8 Cage Words. So everyone, as a bird is an indication here about the people of Afro-American who face a racism in her life. So here the poet Maya Angelou, who is American poet, okay, she has put up this topic of racism which Afro-American people facing that time. Bird is an indication here everyone. It is indication how the people of those time were facing the troubles due to this issue. And everyone, you will find this story in this poem, that this poem deals with the spirit of freedom and joy, because caged word means Afro-American people never face in a life the joy of freedom. Now everyone, we are going to start. A free bird leaves on the back of the wind and floats down street till the current ends and dips its wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. So everyone, the poet Angelou start a poem with the indication of the free word. Everyone, here the Maya Angelou is saying that a free word, the word who is free means who is facing its freedom without any kind of restrictions in its life. So it is flying in the open sky freely, floating downside, it is going upstairs with the wind, means it is spreading its full wing in the orange rays of sun, means the sunshine. The free bird is completely feeling enjoyment by spreading its wings and floating into the sky, and it is flying all over the sky like it is giving dare to the sky, means it is having the full enjoyment of its life. But a word that stalks, means everyone cage words, okay, the word which is in prison down its narrow cage, can seldom see through its bar of rays. So here Maya Angelou has giving contradiction, means here in this paragraph she has told about a free bird who can fly all over the sky as its own house, but on the other hand the bird which is imprisoned in a cage which cannot see through its bar of rays means cannot see properly out of his prison. Its wings are clipped, his feet are tied, so he opened his throat to sing. As everyone here, it's his bar of rays, means wings are clipped, means here as you can see that cage how much big it will be. So the cage word wings are clipped, means they are bounded in a limited space, and its feet are tied, and so they have nothing to do because they are living in a limited space. Okay, so the cage bird opens to start singing. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown. So everyone, fearful trill means they are singing in a very, you can say, low tone, as they all the time have fear that when they will get freedom, because there is no chance to get freedom, and they don't know also when they are about to get freedom. And you can say everyone, they never tasted that how freedom looks or feel like, but desire long to for the still the tune is heard on the distant hill for the cage bursting of freedom. So everyone, as cage bird are living in a very limited space, so they have only one work to do, that is singing, and through the help of the singing they are telling their desires, which desires they have, and when they sing its voice reaches far away from the places, means if they are singing in what place, so it will go far and far so that many can listen to them. And by the voice of this singing we can understand that they are in very pathetic condition, they are in very miserable condition. And everyone, with the help of these caves of free word, the poet is indicating about the American people and African American people. Free word thinks of another breeze and trade the wind softer to the shining trees and eat fat worms waiting a down right down its name on its sky. Means now Maya Angelou is saying that free word are just feeling all the sky is of them. They can just spread their wings so high and they can fly. They can touch the trees which are standing there. They can eat worms which is roaming downside on the ground, and they can write their name on the whole sky as sky of them only. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied. So he opened his throat to sing. Here everyone, as Maya Angelou, through the word of caged bird, she is indicating the people of America who belong to the tribe Afro-American, and they suffered all of their life for getting each and everything in their life. That's why they never tasted the freedom, because they had no right for living their life peacefully. So here same she is indicating that caged bird means they don't have their dreams, means their dreams are completely, you can say, undesirable. The people don't want to listen about those dreams, so they don't have their dreams. His shadows out on nightmare scream. Even the caged bird don't like their shadows, and their shadows in the night seems like to them as a nightmare, as a horrible dream of the night. His wings are clipped and feet are tied. They feel like their wings are clipped, means their wings are bounded in a limited space and their feet are tied with a rope. So only they have one work, they can sing miserably for showing their pathetic condition. The caged bird sings with a fearful tread of unknown, but long for still that his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. So everyone, Maya Angelou has repeated these lines again for telling about this, that caged birds spend whole of their life in the fear that there is unknown or undesirable time of their freedom, as if they will never get freedom in their life. So they just sings only, and their singing voice reaches far and wide from the many places, and people of that place listen to them and understand by their tone that they are in very miserable condition. Here there is a contrast between free word or caged bird. Free word is a people of America who had the white complexion. On the other hand, the caged bird is African-American people who has the black complexion. That's why everyone here, their shadows feels like to them as a horrible nightmare, because they have the dark complexion. That's why they faced that time racism, and no one just cared about their dreams, their ambitions, their desire. Whole of their life they just spend in very pathetic condition. So everyone, here this poems, and I hope you understood this poem. Thank you.